Let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually felt good inside your own body? Not just okay, not just fine, but clear, light, energized, awake? Most people can't remember because somewhere in our late 20s or early 30s, life gets heavier. We work more, we sleep less, we eat fast, we stress constantly. We multitask until our minds are exhausted. So we assume our tiredness is just getting older. But no, that's not what aging is supposed to feel like. The reason you feel heavy, inflamed, sluggish, foggy, unmotivated is because your cells are swimming in oxidized seed oils every single day. Your body is not slowing down because of age, it's slowing down because of inflammation. And seed oils are one of the strongest inflammation triggers in modern food. Section 6. The inside damaged seed. Oils cause. Let's break down what's happening internally in a simple, real way. 1. Your cells become stiff. Seed oils get stored in your cell membranes. Your cells lose flexibility. Communication between cells slows down. This leads to slower healing, hormonal imbalance, reduced resilience, aging from the inside out. 2. Your metabolism slows down. When your cells can't burn fuel efficiently, your body switches into fat storage mode. This is why you may gain weight without eating more, feel hungry even after meals, store fat around your belly, struggle to lose weight even when dieting. Your blood becomes thicker. Inflammation thickens blood and damages arteries. This increases the risk of heart attack, stroke, high blood pressure. But instead of addressing the cause, doctors often prescribe medications that only manage the symptoms. 4. Your brain gets slower. Oxidation from seed oils generates free radicals in the brain. This contributes to brain fog, anxiety, memory decline, irritability, burnout feeling, lack of motivation. This isn't personality change. This is biochemistry changing the way your brain fires signals. 5. Your skin tells the truth. Skin reflects internal inflammation. Acne, eczema, bumpy skin, puffy face, premature wrinkles. These are internal inflammation showing up externally. Your body is trying to speak to you. Pause. Calm, emotional grounding tone. Your fatigue is not laziness. Your cravings are not lack of willpower. Your weight struggles are not personal failure. Your body is inflamed, and inflammation is not your natural state. Section 7. The food trap keeping you stuck. So here's the question. If seed oils are so damaging, why are they everywhere? Because the system is designed for profit, not health. Seed oils are cheap to manufacture, cheap to store, cheap to ship real oils. The healthy ones require nature, care, and time. And companies don't like time. They like profits. So they replaced natural fats with industrial fats and marketed them as heart healthy. Meanwhile, rates of heart disease, stroke, obesity, diabetes, depression exploded. The data is not subtle. Section 8. Why restaurants make the problem worse. Here's something most people don't know. Restaurants and fast food chains reuse their frying oil over and over and over. Every time seed oil is reheated, it becomes more toxic, more oxidized, more inflammatory. This means your fries are cooked in rancid oil. Your chicken sandwich was fried in chemical breakdown byproducts. Your sautéed vegetables are coated in oxidized fat. Your grilled chicken salad dressing contains oil that inflames your arteries. Even the meals that seem healthy are soaked in inflammation. This is why you eat out, you feel tired. You eat out, you bloat. You eat out, you crave sugar. You eat out, you feel heavy the next morning. This is not a coincidence. Your body is trying to protect you, but it's overwhelmed. Section 9. The emotional effect. The physical effects of seed oils are serious, but the emotional effects are equally damaging. Inflammation in the gut affects serotonin, the hormone responsible for happiness, motivation, emotional balance. This is why so many adults feel numb, exhausted, uninspired, disconnected from themselves. It's not you. It's not mental weakness. It's not lack of discipline. Your brain is inflamed. Your gut is inflamed. Your cells are inflamed. And your body is signaling for help. Pause. Soft, empathetic tone. You are not broken. Your body is reacting to what it's been fed. And the moment you change what goes in, everything can change.